So I've bandaged up my finger and we're on our way to Winterbrook Falls.
This is meant to be a rail trail, but it surely doesn't look it.
It does not. They've clearly had four-wheel drive problems and just fixed that because, I mean, look at that. That's going to be hard for a four-wheel drive to get past. And how far did it say that walk was?
4 to 5 hours.
4 to 5 hours walk.
It's
so
6Ks though, so I don't even know. I'm gonna make it.
Yeah, so we'll see. Whoa, massive sinkhole. Jesus. Look at that. That's pretty scary. I kind of want to get down there. It's like a full-on cave. I'm going down there now. Wait, actually, can I get up if I go down there? I'll, It's insane. It's like an actual cave, isn't it?
I don't think it's a cave.
Don't think it's a cave. Is there a way to come up? Jesus, this, you know, it's completely hollow there. I can get down. Yeah, I can. That's incredible. Alright, I'll show you with my phone. So I found out, it's an old bridge I think, back in the days, and it's just been like slowly eroding. Like check it out, because there's a bunch of cross beams on this massive one here, and then all of them go across, and these ones here have snapped down. Because look, it's like straight across. That's crazy. Now for the really hard part of getting back up, because that's, like, if you can kind of tell, it's very destroyed. Huh?
Film it.
Want me getting up? Alright. It's pretty solid. Oh. That is so sketchy. Makes you feel like if you jump like right there, you'll just fall to your death. It's not a good day to have the damn finger injury. Oh. So it's a little questionable if the track to get to the track, but I'm pretty sure this is it.
Well, we found a sign that says it.
Yeah, so this has got to be it.
You kind of follow a pink ribbon into here and it's like in a rainforest.
Yeah, it's very narrow. This makes me a little nervous. Stay safe from there. This is very slippery. Oh, what kind of get off are you talking about?
Can't do that.
You don't have to get off. You can jump on if you want. Alright. It's probably for the best. It's a lot easier to balance without a second person. Uh-oh. God damn it. I spoke too soon. Super slippery, very narrow, but very beautiful. Look at that. It's quite nice. Pretty much the wheels will slide as soon as I come off the metal grid at all. Oh, keep going there. Yeah. Going on up step. I'm so glad they have a metal grid thing here. We'd be screwed. Why not? Is that as slippery as it looks? A little bit of momentum. I keep having these handlebar knockers. Man. Nice, no back hook. Check out the beautiful mushrooms around here. Look at that red one over there. There's like little red ones scattered all around here. Beautiful. jump on. So this is as far as we're going. We went to, what was that name of that trail? This one that we're on?
Waterfall.
No, this trail?
Maxwell track.
Yeah, so this is Maxwell track. We were going down the other one before, but it was like massive logs and like just it was mainly just me like lifting the bike over things. Yeah, it was a walking track, not a riding track. So this is as far as we're going, and then we're gonna go to the falls. 5 waterfalls, here we come. We finally made it to one of the falls. This one's called Silver Falls. Check it out, pretty cool. Looks like it's a fun but rocky water slide. I don't recommend it. The path here was quite short, but it was very steep. So,
It's not going to be fun walking up. We're going to keep going down, aren't we?
yeah, we'll keep going, see where it goes. I also kind of want to see what that little jump off end goes, so I will see you guys down there. Because this is where it goes. It is quite magnificent when you're down here. Check it out. Check out the end of it. And there's some people down there. I did not expect that. Met some new people, and this place has a cave, so I gotta check that if I can. What's it doing? I was going. I don't know how much you'll really be able to see here. Doesn't go that far. Probably worth it. That's so slippery. It's not very big. I kind of wish I had a flashlight.
So this path just keeps going, and all you gotta do is keep following that red arrow. I don't know if you can see me as it's really dark in here. Could be a complete scrap. But yeah, this is the path. Very hilly, and I'm heading to what I think is castra Falls. There's another arrow, so now we're going back down the hill. Stefan's going down there, Cascade Falls down there.
This is the Cascades. It's a bit off the track of the loop, but that's it. Looking pretty dapper. Not amazing. I'm looking forward to going further up. And this is like a little swim area, I guess, if you want to swim with some leeches. So it says, Castra Falls, loose rocks use safety rope. So about to see some slips and tricks from there. Oh, I already slipped, I missed it. Safety rope help? It makes me feel safe. Just look at it. There's ropes everywhere. Did you find out the names of the people? No, we'll find them out later. Seem like some nice locals. They might not actually. Good point. They're not super old, but they're adventurers.
They weren't like.
Yeah, I went down the this other one. The you coming down?
I don't think I'll play that one.
Fair enough. If we don't see you again, if you look up, are you on Facebook?
Yeah.
Look up the Caravan of Courage, and we'll put some photos up.
Caravan of Courage.
Yes, more followers.
Oh my god.
It's a bit ridiculous. What lushness. Ooh. great reveal's coming.
Ready.
Oh, that's not that great. It has rained a little bit today as well, but not a ridiculous amount. It's not too bad though, it's nice. It's a nice place. It would look spectacular, I reckon, when it's pouring.
We made it.
Ooh, that is quite nice. That's cool. Check out the waterfall a bit more. It's not too slippery. I swear I'm so lucky with rocks. They're always like not moving when I'm stepping on them. Not always, but most of the time. That is the extent of this fall. Hopefully we can make it to the other one. I think there's one more, possibly two. I think it's one more. But we'll see you guys there. Couldn't help myself, had to get on top of the rock. And this is it. Look at that awesome, like, huge pool. You can see how much it fills up with the line. And you know what's awesome? You know how I went in the waterfall before, like underneath it? Totally dry. All the uphills have made my legs really hot, so it's dried them off. How convenient. Not my shoes though, not my shoes. So we had an incident. Didn't catch it on camera, which is probably good. But Nate was holding the camera, I was holding the drink bottle. It was very steep and slippery. And as you can probably tell, the way she's walking, she fell over, like chipped a bit of the camera lens cover off. We heard a massive crack and we're like, shit, I hope Nate's wrist's okay, because she was all like, show us your wrist. She's got a little cut in her finger, and there's a cut underneath, and she like must have smacked it real hard. And yeah, it looked really painful. Not too much, but I mean, you only just did it. But yeah, so we like got to the little junction where it's like continue circuit or step forward. It's just like, may as well do the last one.
It's only 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's a 10-minute walk, so we're gonna do that and then I think back home and ice that up. Put some Dettol stuff, whatever it's called, antiseptic on that and this.
Let's just hope there's nothing else gonna happen.
Yeah, hopefully that's it. I think I'm gonna hold the stuff now because it's clumsy. Wow, that's steep. You don't want to take it slow?
If I need to use my hands a lot, not.
That's true. Well, I can take some photos and be back. I'll see you guys there. It was probably good that Nate didn't come down here and check it. Damn sexy. How did I do this? Step falls, here we come. I can see why they call it step falls. Whew. Man, if we didn't have lens protectors, we'd be on our like 15th camera. Check out those step falls. We made it, and that guy said we wouldn't be able to do it with these shoes. Traction. Just for amateurs that don't know how to slide. Like Nay, I guess. Poor girl. So today, it's a very rainy day. Pretty much been raining the whole entire day. And we're gonna check out some caves, because obviously, you know, caves don't care about rain. And these are the caves we're at. It's Guns Plains Caves, as it says right there. And it was like $20 fine for entrance.
We don't actually know that. We haven't paid yet.
Yeah, we haven't, but I think it's something like that.
But it could
Wow.
be different.
It looks like the building's down there. First I was like, where's the entrance? And Nate's like, that? And it's just a short block. And that'll be it. So hopefully it's not too dark. Apparently it's like 11 degrees down there, just like constantly. So we'll check it out and show you the cool parts. So we are in the cave. Check it out. Ooh. Huh? Check this out.
So hanging off the side of the stalactite there, we have what we call a shoal. You know, the shoal forms when the water runs down the length of the roof, like a drip going down your windscreen. Now they go by a few different names. So shawls, curtains, blankets.
So that was our first guided tour in a cave. What do you think, eh?
I thought it was pretty good.
It was pretty cool.
Pretty interesting.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. It was cool to see how much. And he said that there's you actually come up and like inside this area, so you're like not that far away from the actual car park, like height wise.
We were level with the car park.
Yeah, it was just crazy. So it must have been like in that mountain area because you go down heaps and up, and it's pretty cool. It's very interesting. It's cool stuff. Hey guys, I hope you loved the video. I sure loved making it, and it was totally worth getting a cut for this sweet ass drone footage. And yeah, that was Gunners Plains and Levian Canyon. As you can see, this is where we are now. And the next place we're going is
Cradle Mountain.
Cradle Mountain. It's not too far from where we are now. And yeah, see you guys there. Peace.